Hello and welcome to Love Anything Art. This is some candy cane I made in my first holiday video. I'll leave a link for that in the description below. But I'll take it and cut it in half. And then roll out each end so that it comes to a point. And then I will begin twisting it up to give it the candy cane twist. And once that's all twisted up, on each of the ends, I will roll it up into a spiral. That is one side, and then I will do the same to the other. And to make it work best when you are putting it together in just a few minutes, make sure each of the spirals goes outward and curls up and out, just like this. After you've rolled up each of the ends, sorry, there was a little piece of something there on my cutting board there. Just go ahead and cut that directly in half. And with those two ends, just gently pinch it and join those two sections together. And then you'll begin bending and shaping your heart into whatever form you want it to be. If you want one side to be up higher than the other, which is how I do mine, or if you want them to be both exactly even, you can decide that at this time. Kind of a little lopsided heart, and I like that. And then I will go ahead and put a eye hook pin at the top. And for baking, I will go ahead and place that on a piece of paper. And I made a second one also. And then I will put a little bit of bacon bond where the two pieces are joined together at the bottom, and this will help make it stick together. After you bend it and shape it, go ahead and bake it in the oven. After it's baked, I will just take a little bit of this UV resin and put it in a mold so that I can resin my piece. And don't forget to glue in both of your eye hooks. Just use a little bit of super glue and glue it in. And then go ahead and give it a nice generous coating of your UV resin, and then voila, this is them. Just something really simple you can make and wouldn't take you any time at all. And tomorrow is the last day of my holiday themed videos, and I hope you enjoyed these. I enjoyed making these and coming up with all of these ideas. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!